right, you guys, welcome to our 2025 Finance Knowledge Bowl. I thank you guys so much for being here. You guys are our finalists, and so we're super excited to have you. I'm Christine Tobin, Chief Operating Officer for Young Investor Society. I will be your host this evening. I'm accompanied by Steve Barris. Steve Barris is our board member and also our vice president of the board. I'm going to give it over to Steve just to give a brief little intro.
Perfect. Thanks, Christine. Welcome, everybody. I'm excited to join you this afternoon or wherever you are in the world. I heard we have people as far as Australia on this call, so that's amazing. And we're excited to have you participate in the Knowledge Bowl. As Christine said, my name's Steve Barris, and I am the Vice President of YIS and serve on the Executive Committee. Additionally, in my regular life, I am a financial advisor, and I work with clients to help them plan for, save for different financial goals, as well as invest their money. So I'm excited to participate today and excited to see what you all have learned as you've gone through the Knowledge Bowl. So thanks for letting me be here.
Perfect. Thank you, Steve. So, Steve, I want to introduce our finalists today. We have Manaswi from South Carolina, Praneel from Texas, Daniel from Florida, Athithia from New Jersey, Rithik from New Jersey, Caroline from California, Arnav from Australia, Iris from Arizona, Victoria from Virginia, Alexander from New Jersey, Neil from North Carolina, Ian from Connecticut, Arush from North Carolina, Christiana from California, Mary from Iowa, Ethan from New York, Jack from California, Tanush from North Carolina, Mark from New York, Maxwell from California, Rishab from Washington, and Temi from Texas. So thank you all for being here. We're super excited to have you. As you know, you guys are competing for some great prizes today. Our first place prize gets $1,000 cash, plus a golden ticket to our Global Youth Investment Summit to pitch in the stock pitch competition. So you and your teammate, if you're pitching in a team, get a spot, one of the 100 teams to participate in the stock pitch competition at the Global Youth Investment Summit in New York City. And that's May 29th and 30th. So that's super exciting. Second place is $500 cash. And third place, we have $250 cash. I'm going to go over a little bit of kind of the rules today and what this looks like for us before we start. So the finals are 20 questions about 3 companies. And those 3 companies you were given were Home Depot, Monster Beverage Corporation, and Broadcom. So you'll need to enter the Kahoot PIN code to participate. So make sure you have either a cell phone, or if you want to do it on your computer, make sure that you can go back and forth because it will be a live Kahoot that you're taking the quiz on. I'll read the questions out loud, but you don't have to wait for me to finish to answer the question. So you'll have the question on your own, you can read it, you can answer it, you don't have to wait for me to finish. I want to be able to read the questions just for our audience who's going to be watching the event on our YouTube channel to be able to hear what the questions are. So you'll use your Kahoot to enter the answer. You'll have 30 seconds to answer, to select your answer in the Kahoot. So 30 seconds for each question. And Kahoot scores on your correct answer as well as the time it takes you to answer. So it does score on kind of how long it takes you along with your correct answer. We shouldn't have a tie just because of those factors, but just in case, we do have a tiebreaker discussion question at the end if in the case of a tie. So we'll be able to handle that. So any questions before we get started? You can just raise your hand or unmute yourself if you have any questions. All right, what impact did hurricane activity have on Home Depot's sales during Q3? job. What is the relationship between Monster Beverage Corporation and the Coca-Cola Company? How do you expect Broadcom's revenue to shift in the coming years? Everyone got that one. Very nice. What was Home Depot's adjusted operating income, non-GAAP, for Q3? What pricing strategy does Monster Beverage Corporation primarily use to maintain its market share in the energy drink industry? That's a tough one. How does Broadcom's investment in AI's XPUs and Ethernet network align with the growing demand for AI infrastructure? Great. Approximately what percent of online Home Depot orders were fulfilled at the retail stores during Q3? Oh, another tough one. What factor or factors impacted the reported volume slowdown in the energy drink category in the US? Nice. What is not a challenge Broadcom faces in sustaining growth in semiconductor and infrastructure software revenues? feel like this one was a tough one. What percent of Home Depot's customers own their own home? Um, What is Monster's approach to product innovation and the introduction of new flavors in the energy drink segment? Perfect. How would you characterize the market structure of Broadcom's customer base in terms of consolidation or fragmentation? Tough one. During Home Depot's Q3, approximately how much was invested back into the business in the form of capital expenditures? That's another hard one. How did Monster Beverage Corporation's gross profit margin in Q4 2023 compared to Q4 2022? What factors should not be considered when evaluating Broadcom as an investment? Oh, excellent. All right, you guys. Which of the following statement is true regarding the Home Depot's Q3 2024 earnings? That was a tough one. What was the difference in net sales from 2022 to 2023 for Monster Beverage Corporation? There was definitely some math involved in this one to be able to figure this out. All right. Which of the following statements is true regarding Broadcom's fiscal year 2024 financial performance? Two more. Which of the following reflects the strategic focus mentioned in Home Depot's Q3 2024 earnings call? Last but not least, which of the following key developments was highlighted in Monster Beverage Corporation's 2023 annual report? Oh, and I love that Kahoot does the scoreboard for us. It's very nice. So congratulations, Afifia, Tanuj, and Max. You guys are our first, second, and third place winners of the 2025 Knowledge Bowl. Congratulations. Back here. Perfect. Steve, what did you think?
Well, first of all, I want to just congratulate all of you. The fact that you're even here is incredible, right? I mean, I am always blown away by YAS students and your dedication to learning and developing and becoming somebody better than you were before. And so, taking extra time out of your day to study these companies and to come here and participate was amazing. Congratulations to our winners, obviously. That was fun. It's interesting. I got to sit here. I didn't have to answer the questions, which I'm grateful for because I didn't prepare to answer those questions. But you all made it look super easy. You're all just like chill and all relaxed, and there was like no stress. So hopefully you had a good time and enjoyed that. So just as a reminder to our winner, you get $1,000 cash, which is fantastic, plus the golden ticket to the Global Youth Investment Summit. I'm going to have a shameless plug here for that. I hope that all of you will consider coming, whether you're going to pitch a stock or not. The Youth Investment Summit this year is going to be incredible, and there's a lot of things to participate in and to enjoy while you're there. There's going to be possibility for internships, possibility for other prizes, and winning scholarship money and all the different things that we're going to present there, not just to the stock pitch winners, but to other people that are participating. So anyway, a little shameless plug for the Global Youth Investment Summit, but congratulations again to our winners, and congratulations to all of you for making that look super easy and for participating in something that most kids your age have no idea what any of those questions even mean, let alone what the answers were. So congratulations.
Have a great rest of your evening.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, guys.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye. Thank you.